So let's start with your skin prep, and I'm going to make sure that you get that glow. The first thing I'm using is Fix Plus. So I'm going to give you a good spritz of this. This will make sure that your skin is hydrated and your moisturizer can go deeply into the skin. So next up, I'm going to use Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. This will make sure that the skin is really hydrated. It's just important that you moisturize your skin well and prep it so that the natural glow of the skin comes out. So now I'm going to use MAC Studio Radiance Primer. This will make sure that the skin texture becomes even. It's illuminating and it's also moisturizing. So it will moisturize the skin evenly and it will also give you that beautiful radiance that we're looking for. So now we'll start with your base makeup. I'm going to use MAC Studio Radiance Serum Power Foundation because this is really hydrating and it also gives you that beautiful glow. So I'm going to start with this. Now when I apply the foundation, I start right into the center and then take it to the sides. Also start with less product and then build it up rather than putting too much product and then blending it. So I'm taking very little, work it into the skin right into the center and then just blend it out. Now, when we use foundation, it's always advisable that you just take the foundation right to the neck, and if you're wearing something low neck, also make sure that it goes right up till there because it will make sure that the skin tone looks even throughout. Now that we're done with your foundation, I'm going to add concealer, and I'm using MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. So I'm taking a little bit and putting it right under the eyes here and taking it right up till here because this will make sure that it take care of that little shadows under the eye. Also, I would like to put it right around the mouth here just to brighten up the center of the face. Once the concealer is completely blended, I'm going to go with the powder to set the makeup, and I'm using Studio Fix Pro Set and Blur powder, and I'm taking the powder on the puff and just set it with powder. Let's just start with contouring, and I'm going to use Skin Finish Sunstruck Bronzer, starting right on your cheekbones here and sculpting it, let it go into the hairline, and also right over here in the jawline. So now for your eye makeup, I'm going to use a base in cream color base, which is Shell. Very lightly, I'm going to use it over the lid. So this will just give you a nice base. Very lightly, I'm using it on the lid. Just use it all over the lid. This will just give a nice base and the eyeshadow will stay on better. Now that we have used a base, I'm going to use eyeshadows, and what I have chosen for you is MAC Connecting Color Rose Lens. It has beautiful rosy color that goes exactly with your lehenga colors.
Yeah.
Use this beautiful rose pink on the lid. And I'm just blending it. I'm also going to use this darker, burnt rose kind of color right onto the outer edge and blend it. To line the eyes, I'm going to use Color Excess Gel Pencil Kajal in black color. I'm just softening the liner so that you get beautiful smoky line. To define your eyelashes, I'm going to use MAC Stack Mascara. Just look down for me, and I'm going to really apply it to the lashes and I think with lashes, you need a little bit more bling, and I'm going to add Dazzle Shadow Liquid on your eyes. So I'm going to take it and place it right into the center for that extra bling on your eyes. Just right in the center here, and There we go. You can see the shine. Let's finish the eye makeup with the brow styler and fill in the gaps in the brows and groom it for this eye makeup. So I'm going to go right into the brows and brush it. And to finish the look, I'm going to use lipstick, and I've chosen Plum Lip Pencil to line your lips. With Plum, it will create that beautiful full depth into the lip. Your lipstick done. I think this color combination looks really great. And now just to set your makeup, I'm going to go with Fix Plus again and spray it.
I love the makeups on it. It just looks fabulous.
Thank you. Thank you.